Let's take a look at these Vinebreeze outdoor chair cushions that were sent to me as a sample by the brand, but that never changes what I say in my reviews. And I was interested in these because our old outdoor chair cushions have taken a bit of a beating. Yes, I made some bad decisions and used to not cover them up, and the fabric shows it. On top of that, we live in a forested area where the springtime pollen from all the trees can get pretty intense, and anything left outdoors will accumulate a layer of thick yellow powder. So we needed a fresh start, and these Vinebreeze outdoor chair cushions looked about right. They come packed so nicely. The cushions arrive vacuum packed in a bespoke black bag with a zipper. You pull them out compressed in their bag. But once you break the seal, the cushions begin to immediately expand and find their original shape. The seat is a firm foam, while the back is a polyester down alternative. Both the seat and the back cushion covers have a sturdy zipper on the back. The seat is soft, but also relatively firm. You wouldn't want to go too squishy on a seat cushion, so these feel absolutely perfect. The cover is waterproof and it's a light beige, which is maybe perhaps slightly yellow. And the light color really brightens up our set. It captures the sun, but it will also reflect away any heat. And the cushioning is nice and supportive, but also soft and comfortable. The fabric is durable and it looks ready to withstand the sun and the rain and the pollen. And the covers are removable. So if they do get dirty, they can be removed and washed, which wasn't the case with our previous cushions. So that's appreciated because I don't know about you, but we've found that outdoor stuff sometimes gets dirty. But now that spring is out and we're spending more time outside, it's so nice to have a new set of cushions. It makes our old outdoor furniture that was tired and gray feel renewed and refreshed. So I think we'll be spending more time outside this summer and we'll enjoy it a lot more. And I hope this short video has helped you decide if these Vinebreeze outdoor chair cushions are right for you and your family. And thanks for watching.